Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to add debit card to your Cash app. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Cash app. Once you open it, make sure you log into your account. And after you log in, what you'll have to do is tap on your profile at the top right corner and then scroll a bit down. Under account and settings section, you will see this option linked banks, tap on it. Then under accounts, it will show you an option link debit card, tap on it. Now in this page, you'll have to enter your debit card number, expiry month and year, and your CVV, and at last you'll have to enter your zip code. Once you have filled up this form, tap on this link card button. Once you do so, your debit card will be added to your Cash app. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.